when
Chandler, I'm going to say this.
you're good. When we are talking about area, there is an equation we can use to help us. What is that equation? Who remembers? What is the equation we can use? It's
Multiply.
Equals
Multiply.
L times width.
Length times width
good. Length times
equals
width.
area.
Area
Equals
equals
area.
length times width, or length times width equals
Area.
the area. Okay, so this is the equation you're going to use. So remember, this length and width, these are the two sides on your rectangle. Okay, so if I have 4 and I have 5, I'm going to multiply 4 times 5 to get my area. Okay, so remember, area is length times width. All right, so let's look at some actual problems, okay, that have some answer choices with them. So this first one says, Hilda is putting new carpet inside her living room. The diagram below shows the room. How many square feet of carpet does Hilda need to buy? So what's the first thing I need to do in order to solve this problem? Aiden, what's the first thing I need to do in order to solve this problem?
Count the blocks.
Figure out how many square units.
Figure out. Good, Aiden. Figure out how many
10
square units
total.
are on each side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I have 8 on one side and I have 4 on the other. So that means, what do I need to do next? Let me not tell y'all. What do I need to do next? You tell me. Kason, what should I do next?
Put 8 times 4.
Put 8 times 4. So I want 8 times 4, and that's going to equal my area. Okay, so what is 8 times 4? If I don't know, I could put 8 right here. Okay, and I could go 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 8 times 1? Yes, ready to go to the bathroom. Dimitri,
8 times
18.
8.
8. 8 times 2 is
14. 16.
16. Okay, and then 8 times 3 would be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
24.
24. Okay, and then 8 times 4 would be 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32.
32?
So my area
It's 32.
is 32. So which answer choice would it be? Katia, which answer choice would it be?
A.
A. Okay. So you see how I remember when I introduced y'all to this T-chart to find out your multiplication facts? So you can use this when we're solving for area to help you if you need to. Okay. Want to make sure that with area, we are multiplying our length times our width. Okay. So we're going to now go into our ones that are a little bit harder. The ones where we're going to have 2 rectangles overlapping and we have to figure out the area, kind of the ones we were doing yesterday. All right. Yes, Kason. This says a carpenter is building an addition onto a rectangular house. He is adding a square section to the house as shown below. What is the total area of the house in square feet? So what's the first thing I need to do? What's the first thing I need to do?
Count the squares.
Count
Amira, what's the do? Oh, Amira, what's the first thing I need to do?
It looks like you have to slice it in half.
I need to slice it. Where am I going to slice it? What shape am I looking for?
The new shape.
What was this?
An
But
L.
For
the L. So I'm going to look for
the
the L
L. For
right
the
here.
L. So slice it.
Okay. So now that I've sliced it, what do I need to do?
Make a line between.
Nope. What do I need to do now? I need to
Count the boxes.
count all the squares.
There are 13 in total. I am just saying.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have
Okay.
6. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then listen, I showed two of the groups I pulled yesterday. I showed them this trick. So if you don't have your boxes down here, so if it's not showing it, if you draw a line, okay, where this side is, and you draw it up, okay, whatever number is up here is going to be equal to the number down here. Okay, so like, look, how many are right here in this blue line right here? Dimitri, how many is this?
3.
3.
3. So this needs to be 3.
What is 3?
Okay, so it's 3. So this is going to equal this. Okay, and you can draw this line to help you figure it out. This needs to equal this. So now, what do I need to do? Aiden, now what do I need to do?
Multiply.
Multiply. What am I multiplying?
6 times 4.
6 times 4.
That wasn't me. Actually.
And then what else am I multiplying, Katya?
3 times 3.
Times 3.
3 times 3. Gabriel, if that's you, I need you to stop. I'm not calling on you. I'm calling on other people. When I call your name, you can answer. Okay, what is 6 times 4? This one should be easy. Sarah, what's 6 times 4?
24.
24. And what's 3 times 3?
9.
Times 3. Grace, what's 3 times 3?
9.
9. Okay, then what do I need to do to 24 and 9?
4 plus 9
Add them
is 13.
together.
We need to add them together. So 4 plus 9 is what?
13.
13. So I have my 3. Carry my
33.
and I have 3. So my area. So which one is my answer choice? What is the correct answer?
33 square feet. D.
D, 33 square feet.
D.
Awesome. Okay. So you're going to make sure that you multiply both sides, not multiply them together, but you're going to multiply 6 times 4. You're going to multiply square 1. Then you're going to multiply square 2. Then you're going to add them together. Okay. So look. This is square 1. Okay. So I multiplied square 1 together. Then I multiplied square 2 together. Okay. Then I added them together to create this one shape. All right. Y'all ready? Can we do the next one? Okay. All right. The diagram below represents the office space on one floor of a building. The space is composed of 2 rectangles. What is the area of the office space in square meters? So I'm again looking for area. So what's the first thing I need to do? I'm again looking for area. So what's the first thing I need to do? I have two overlapping
You
rectangles.
have to cross the line in the middle of the L.
Good, Holly. I'm going to put a line in the middle of the L. Because I know I have two rectangles. Okay? Now what do I need to do? Camila, what am I going to do?
Sorry, I was busy getting this off of my finger again.
Okay, well, look at the screen. What's my next step? I'm trying to find the area. I've already divided my squares into two rectangles.
Oh. You're gonna put something like on that side.
What do I need to do on the side?
Divide it. Multiply it.
No, not multiply it yet. I haven't counted. What do I need to do first? How do I know the number of squares on each side?
I don't know how to say this.
It's so easy. The word starts with a C. And you use your finger to do it.
Compare.
I'm going to count, right?
Okay.
Count my squares. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then look, so I have another one where I don't have this side, so I'm going to draw this over. And I see, oh, this only has 2. So then this is 2. Okay? So now what am I going to do? Now what am I going to do? Isabella, now what should I do?
You should multiply.
Okay, what am I going to multiply?
You're gonna multiply 2.
Okay. And what?
5.
Are you sure?
1.
No, what's this?
5.
What number is that?
8.
8. Okay, then what am I going to multiply?
5.
And
5.
5 times 5. Okay. All right. So now, let's see. Zane, what's 2 times 8?
Two times is 16.
Okay. And let's see. Tony, what's 5 times 5?
25.
25. Okay. Then what do I need to do? Yes, Dimitri, go to the bathroom. Then I have to do what, Katya?
Add them up.
Add them up. Okay, so what's 6 plus 5? 11. And 2 plus 1 plus 1?
4.
4. It's my area.
41.
41. So what's my answer choice?
41 square meters, D.
D. All right. So got your math notebooks. We're going to do one together. Well, actually, I may do 2. Got your math notebooks. We're going to do 2 together. And then I will let you work on your independent practice. Actually, I may just do 1. All right. So our focus is going to be area. It is the 4th. All right. So, and I'm actually going to write up here, area equals length times width. So I remember. All right, I'm going to give you your figure, and then you're going to solve it, and then we'll move on to our infinite practice. Okay, I'm going to do it a little different this time. I'm going to give you the numbers instead of drawing the squares, which should actually make it even easier. So I've given you the figure and the numbers. Now you're solving for it and you're going to tell me what is the area. What is the area? I've given you the numbers and I've drawn the figure.
$40.
Oh, thank you to my friends that are working super hard solving this. Thank you, Walter. Thank you, Kason. Thank you, Grace. I should see you working super hard solving this. Thank you, Holly. Thank you, Bianca. Thank you, Dimitri, Amira, Isabella, Katya, Tony. All right, so what's the first thing I need to do? What's the first thing I need to do to my rectangles, Amira?
Slice the L in half.
Okay, I'm gonna slice where there's the L. Okay, because I know that I'm gonna have two separate rectangles.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so here's something that's a little tricky. That's gonna be a little tricky. This says this whole side is 8. So when I slice this rectangle in half, okay, when I go to multiply my sides, is this whole side, am I going to use the number 8? Sarah, am I going to use the number 8? Because think about it, I sliced my rectangle in half. So I sliced this side in half.
Yes.
If I sliced this side in half, what do I need to do to the number 8?
You're taking it away.
I'm going to take it away. And what number should it be? Holly, what number should it be? 4. Okay. Because look, this is 4 up here. So I know this is 4. So I'm going to do 8 minus 4, and it would equal 4, okay? So because this line, I gave you 8 on this line right here, okay? I didn't give you just this side. I gave you the whole line. So then you would have to subtract this 4 from the 8.
Actually, you don't really. Yeah, but okay. You can.
Mister, I have a question.
You can also, hold on, you can also do what Holly did. I noticed Holly actually went in and drew her squares, okay? You can also do that. That might help you be able to see it better. That then this side is only going to be 4. Okay? Gabriel, was that you that had a question?
Yeah.
What's up?
Okay, so I times 4 times 6. And I don't want to say the answer, so I'm just gonna type it to you.
Okay. Well, so now I need to multiply my sides, right? So I'm going to do 6 times 4, and then I'm going to do 4 times 5, because I want to use this 4. I don't want to use the 8. Okay? So what is 6 times 4? Gabriel, what is it?
Huh?
What is it, Gabriel?
6
What's
times 4 is 24, I'm pretty sure.
It's 24. Okay? What's 5 times 4? Katya, what's 5 times 4?
20.
20. And then I'm going to add them together, and I would get 4, 4.
And then 4. 44.
44. So my area will equal 44. So when you're doing your independent practice, okay, your independent practice has just the number. It does not have the squares. So you either need to draw the squares or remember that you're going to have to subtract this side from this side. This is really important, okay? I promise you they will give this to you on your test. They will try and trick you with something like this. So you have to subtract this side from this side. All right,